Okay, welcome back to the channel, my people. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. We are checking a Target now. There is some kind of Starsky and Hutch set. There's a club wagon van, AMC police car, Chevy Impala, and a checkered taxi cab. I don't know what else is missing from that set, but I do see something cool. There are the new tins. We did see one of these at another Target. So we have the new tins. We did see this little Chevy C210 somewhere. Gonna have to be very careful. We know these are real sneaky with the chase cars. So is the top supposed to be off-white like that? Yes, it is. Ooh, that thing looks great, huh? Look at that. And then it also comes in red. Very nice GTO. The other car is a red IROC Z and a black IROC Z. Matchbox Collectors 2020 Corvette, 2020 Corvette. And that's it. Wow, even the 4-packs are on sale down to $14.99. They are just trying to push these. These are now down to $8. Unbelievable. You have to see what this looks like as a chase. I do have them. When we get back to the compound, I will absolutely show you. It's a really nice looking chase, like, set. Let's keep it moving. Very cool to see. Very nice little tin set. Definitely want to go check the old Haba Laba. Everyone is really enjoying your day off. I know it's a holiday, right? Little Labor Day action. These stores are so busy this weekend. It is crazy right now. Okay, next up on our Diecast fun train is the Hobby Lobby. I love coming to these stores. Okay, we do have some new items today, but we have seen this already. The Busted Knuckle Mini Cooper, really cool series. I think it's new. I mean, it says Series 2, so they're fairly new. Showroom floor Jeep Gladiator, we're good on that. Showroom floor Tahoe RST Nada. Dude, this is so cool. It's a Busted Knuckle Series Bel Air, a 55 flat black with gloss white paint. Looks amazing. Dude, I wish. Wow. Cadillac rims. Okay, well, always wanted one of those wheel sets, but we just never got the right one. That's for a truck. All right, I do want to look for like some model planes. Oh, check it out. I showed you the screeny recently. There's the main. That was in a video recently. If you saw, I don't remember seeing this. Okay. Sunoco? Yeah, maybe we did. Oh, wow, this thing is $16.99. This little B29 13-piece snap-together model is $20. All right, here we go. Yeah, the OG Florida woman, her daughter loves planes, and I really want to get her something cool. Let's see, Air Force. I don't know. I think the Super Fortress. Oh, the Mustang, the little P51. I don't know. This one has 4 motors. That only has 1. There's some wheels. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do a nice thing for a nice person. Oh, 40% off. Very cool, very cool. So what's 40% off? $16.99. Wow, this is pretty cool, man. So they have the slot cars right here. Wait, why are you over here? I wonder if they're putting some in the lockup area or what, because there was way more than that came in. But this is cool to see, like the Hot Wheels little section here at the Hobby Lobby. I've been waiting forever for them to start getting actual Hot Wheels. What is that? Wow, look at this Auto World slot car set with a Mystery Machine and the Batmobile. That is awesome. It's like all spooky. High performance controllers, squeeze track, glow in the dark graphics. Cool, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. It's like a slot car racer. That would be the track I would have in my slot car room. Let's go pay for the Super Fortress and keep it moving. Pavement to defeat my people. Oh, happy holiday weekend, everybody. I hope you're really enjoying your time off. I'm working on this wonderful holiday. No, I'm just kidding. It's the day before. Hey, not too bad. The plane was only $10. I know she's gonna love it. I'm so excited to give it to her. Pretty cool to see those tins, man. I like them. I would not mind finding a White Lightning tin of any of those cars. Unlike the last one we got, which was some station wagon. I don't even remember what it was. We are checking another Hobby Lobby now, and I also need to get face paint. Yes, I know, face paint. Wow, we have a slew of slot cars here from Auto World, and we do collect these, of course, when they are a chase. I believe I thought I had the RX-7. Yeah, I don't know now. Either I have the Eclipse Chase or... No, it's the RX-7, I'm pretty sure. Here's another Eclipse. Package was crushed. Here's a Skyline GTR R34. Oh, this one has a Datsun. Wow, I would have loved to seen that. So import heat slot cars, very, very cool. Number 4, version B, version A, version A. Let's see, version B, so those go together. So there's 2 of the same Eclipse. 2 of the same Eclipse. I know it's the RX-7. I think we have that in a chase. We might have to, you know, talk to Blockade. We do have an R34 also. I don't know which variation of the 2. I want to say it's this one possibly. Some old school cars. Oh, a Dodge Charger RT. I didn't even notice because they just don't really look like real cars, unfortunately. Okay, we do have some more new Hot Wheels here at the Hobby Lobby, so that's pretty cool. I haven't seen this one yet, the 73 Volvo 142. So Canyon Warriors is the name of the set. I see it there. 1940... The 89 Porsche 944 Turbo, very cool. Yeah, the Porsche looks cool, man. That's so cool. My stepfather actually had an 89 944 Porsche. His was charcoal gray. There it is, the Mercedes-Benz. We got this in a chase. Shout out to the Hobby Lobby. We also bought the mainline too, which was cool. They both came from the Hobby Lobby. I'm not buying any of these because of the price. We're gonna see them at the Target. We already got the chase. It's all good. The other new items are the V-dub stuff that we haven't seen. So there's a Thing and a Type 2 double cab pickup. I do love the card art. These are, I don't really like them. Like, that one looks awesome. The Volkswagen Golf, that one looks cool. But these, not a huge fan of the Thing. Oh, cool. Here's where we saw the first of this knuckle breaker or whatever, busted knuckle set. Here's some of the cars, the Mini, the Studi. All right, cool. I want to check a Target, and I want to show you one of my favorite chases I ever found. If you're new to the channel, you're not going to want to miss it. It's kind of weird. They have like this little area set up that's kind of separate from the other area, but then the Hot Wheels go over there when the Hot Wheels are over here. I don't get it. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. I really wanted to get one of these Metal Earth planes for the OG Florida Woman's Daughter, but I don't know. These things are sharp. I just don't think they're for kids. Yeah, ages 14 and up. All right. Wow. See, like that one, that would have been sick. Ooh, there's the Flying Fortress. That's what we got. I think the plastic one will be better for sure. I want every single one of these. There's a drum set. Look at that. I wonder if you could actually play it. That would be sick. That is so cool to see Hot Wheels coming into the Hobby Lobby. It's about time. Those prices have to change. They need to get more in. I mean, 2, 3 cars at a time is just not enough. But still cool to see. That was a lot of slot cars, man. I really wish one of those import heats would have had the right color tires. Hey, this is kind of weird. I thought this store already did their transition, but they have not. Thelma and Louise, Thelma and Louise, and Thelma and Louise. So it looks like 2 of these cases. Well, okay. Wait, maybe 1 case? I can't figure this out. So 2 of those cars, one of those, one of those, one of those. Lots of different things here. There is a car. Oh, wait, no, there's one down there. It fell. It fell down. What's it gonna be? Wow, this place is a mess. Ooh, I've seen this one before. That's not new, I don't think. Charlie's Angels. That will be here forever. Anyway, this is a store that had 1 million Johnny Lightnings come in. They had 1 million Auto World cars. They have not done the transition like I thought. The game of life, we're all playing it. Oh yeah, so here's some of those tins. Right, this is the, oh, there's the one, yeah, what is that? Oh, El Camino, we did get that. Oh, what, Lightning? Oh, there's the little 210 too, both of them, same color, both number 2. Hey now, new Fast and Furious has arrived, the custom Mustang. That's pretty cool. So this has the Maxima, the Integra. Oh, I didn't even notice. I thought this car was something else. This Fast and Furious Alfa Romeo, I guess, is part of this set. The key cars will be the Maxima, and of course, the custom Integra sedan GSR. But yeah, we'll see them. It's all good. We didn't miss them. I mean, we missed this box, but it's all good. We will see more. I feel like a lot of these Ultra Hots, like, just came in maybe because there's the square back still that does get bought. I don't see the Porsche. I don't see the Porsche. Wait, nope. We might open one. I have a really bad card one. It's a straight opener. Maybe we'll open it and wheel swap it. Yeah, I know. Well, that makes a lot of sense. I mean, they were putting stuff up, but if there's still items labeled transition, a lot could change here. Okay, these stores are crazy this weekend. I'm sure people are getting ready for the holiday. I hope everyone has a really nice Labor Day. Let's head back to the compound. I want to show you one of my favorite chases ever. All right, huge shout out to Mona. How are you, girl? Do what you love, my people. We do it every day. Here it is. If you're new to the channel, this is one of my absolute favorite chases. Of course, the Gold Strike Racing Champions Daytona is probably my all-time favorite chase find from the channel. I will pull it and show you in a video soon. We were very lucky. We found 2 of the first edition Auto World 4-packs. Here they are. Unbelievable. These things were right on the pegs, bro. Just chilling, right on the pegs. Someone was like, hey, keep an eye out for the new 2-packs. They have chases, blah, blah, blah. And I'm flipping cars to the side, flipping cars, and then boom. All red cars, red bases, white wheels, gold tires. What an amazing chase. Absolutely one of my favorites. And to find 2 really made my day. I love the way they look. You can see, I think there's a bit of a variant, just like with Hot Wheels. Using the Spectraflame paint, we do see variants between cars and the spray outs. The Hawaiian Dragster is the only one of these cars, even though it's a deluxe, deluxe edition. That's weird. Oh, limited edition. It says deluxe facts, but oh, deluxe 4-pack. Okay, because they have deluxe, they have premiums. The premiums have rubber tires. However, on the 4-packs, on this 4-pack, this dragster has all rubber tires. These are plastic molds, but these are my favorite chases. I just want to show you guys, since we keep seeing them all on the store pegs. They're going on sale. People just aren't buying them. It's unfortunate. It's only at Target. It's such a cool product, but people don't like that they're not premium diecast for the prices, and I get it. I really do. What an amazing chase.